Determine the value of a in the equation sine t divided by the sum of sine t and 4 cosine t equals tangent t divided by the sum of a and tangent t. Recall that tangent t is equal to sine t divided by cosine t, and since the numerator on the left is equal to sine t, let's multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction on the left by 1 divided by cosine t. So again, beginning with the expression on the left, we will now multiply the numerator and denominator by 1 divided by cosine t. Multiplying in the numerator, we have sine t divided by cosine t. In the denominator, multiplying by 1 divided by cosine t, we have another sine t divided by cosine t, and then plus 4 cosine t divided by cosine t. And now let's simplify. Sine t divided by cosine t equals tangent t, giving us tangent t divided by, in the denominator, again, sine t divided by cosine t equals tangent t, plus cosine t divided by cosine t simplifies to 1, leaving us with plus 4. And now comparing this to the right side of tangent t divided by the sum of a and tangent t, we can rewrite the expression as tangent t divided by 4 plus tangent t. And now if we compare this to the right side, we have tangent t divided by the sum of a and tangent t. We can see that a is equal to 4. I hope you found this helpful.